create your trainer Eportfolio, go to Google, type Google Sites. Once you're there, let's wait for it to load. Since you had created your first Eportfolio, let's see how it appears. We have insert, we have pages there. So on your unit, I assume you have created a tab for your units, the units which you're teaching. So go to insert. This is your best place to be always. In insert, click the content block 1. This one is for marksheet. Then add the other content block for 3. This one is cut 1, cut 2, and also cut 3. Don't assume the plus sign there. So we add another one for cut 1 assessor's guide. And remember to like and subscribe, comment. Cut 2 assessor's guide. Then we have cut 3 assessor's guide. Let's add another content block. This one will be prac 1. Then practical 2, assuming this one has practicals and cuts. Then of course you must have the observation checklist for prac 1 observation checklist. So how we are arranging this one, we'll have 3 rows. But there's a better way in which you can do this. Instead of uploading each one every single time, there's another tutorial I'm making in which you'll be able to upload just once. So any change you make on the Google Drive, it will reflect on your Eportfolio. And that ensures that one you need to ensure your Google Drive has all the folders rightly arranged. So we have the attendance. Of course, you need to have cuts attendance and practical attendance. Yes, prac 1 attendance. Remember, I've talked about insert button on your right hand side. We have the insert, we have the pages and the themes. So your most important, you'll be navigating over insert and pages. Once we have published that one, then we've made the changes. Next video will have how to upload the assessments on your trainer's portfolio. Make sure you stay till the end because I'll drop something. Next video I'll show you how to upload, and also in the end I'll show you how to upload as advanced method. Be sure to like and subscribe.